Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you where you can go to learn the material you need to for this class so that you can complete your homework and so that you can do well on your tests. So the first place we've already kind of talked about a little bit, it's in your Pearson MyMathLab. So when you're over here in homework and tests, you click on whatever assignment it is that you're needing to do. So if I click on Mod 1, Lesson 1, the very first thing here that you need to click on, right, to get those easy points is the video for that lesson. So you can kind of see the little icon here. It's got like that little film strip. Okay, that's the video you need. So when you click on that, it brings up the author. So there's a couple good things about this. One, you don't have to go into different places, right? You can come into your MyMathLab, you can watch the video, and then you can do your homework, right? One-stop shop. Some students really like these videos, and if you like them, please, please, please use them, okay? Whatever method you like, use it. But she's very good. She's the author of the book. She explains things well. She explains things at a slow pace where it's easy to pick up what she's talking about and to follow along. The bad things about these videos are she doesn't always cover exactly what's in the lesson. What I mean by that is sometimes she covers material that you don't need for your test or for your homework. And sometimes we kind of put in a little bit from a different section. So sometimes these videos don't cover something that you actually need to know. So it sometimes has too much information and it sometimes doesn't have enough information. But if you watch these videos, it will give you, I would say, 80 to 90% of what you need to know to be able to complete your homework assignment and to do well on the test. Okay, so that's your first option on where you can go. And again, that's just right here. That's nice. Okay, it's right here in your homework. And so once you watch that, then you can just start going through your questions. The second place is in your Moodle. Okay, so you'll want to kind of scroll down, get into the class we're in. So we're in this 20 SU right here. College Prep 2. Okay, so go into that class and it looks like this. So, on this first page here, you're going to have the video I'm recording now. So you'll actually see 5 things right here. You have all of your CPM due dates. Okay, and I'm going to send this out to you in an email. You'll have how to register for your MyMathLab. Okay, and this is again being sent out in an email. You have how to navigate through MyMathLab, which gave you a little bitty thing and then a YouTube video to watch. And then your required class statements. Okay, and then again, you're going to see a 5th one right here, and that's going to be the video I'm recording right now. Along with that, I'm showing you exactly what is due every week. So if we start with week 1, I am telling you Mod 1, Lesson 1, Mod 1, Lesson 2, Mod 1, Lesson 3, Mod 1, Lesson 4, all due this week by June 7th. Each of these lessons have 2 different things. I'm going to start over here with the PDF, but you have 2 things here that go together. So these 2 go together. You have Mod 1, Lesson 1, and then that M1, L1 means Mod 1, Lesson 1. Then you have right here, these 2 go together. You have Mod 1, Lesson 2, M1, L2. Those 2 go together. And then lastly, you have these 2 here that go together. Mod 1, Lesson 3, M1, L3. Okay, so you always have 2 things that go together in here. And if you scroll down, then you have your Mod 1, Lesson 4, Mod 1, Lesson 4 as well. So what these two things are is, if I'm going to actually go to the PDF first. If we were actually in face-to-face class and not online, this is the exact handout I would give you in class, and we would work through these. Okay, now I would usually give them to you, but since we are online, here's your note handout. If you have a printer, print this out. If you don't have a printer, starting on June 1st, OCCC is open, and you can actually go up there and just print these all off. So you can either go and print off all of week 1, you can go and print the entire course off, whatever you need to do, but you can go up to OCCC and print these off. So if you kind of look at this outline here, when you click on this URL of the YouTube video, hey guys, welcome to that is the exact document. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch this 38-minute document, and I'm going to work through this, and you just follow along. This is exactly what you would be doing if I was in class. I would hand you out the note handout, and we would work through this together, and you would follow along and write what you needed to. Okay, and so you'll just work through this with me. Then you have the notes. And now you can even use these on your test. You can use these on your homework to help you get everything and get all of your problems right. Okay, so that's the second place that you can go to get your material. This material I've made, you'll hear my annoying squeaky voice through the entire video. What's bad about this is it's not your one-stop shop, right? You got to go to Moodle for the notes, then to MyMathLab to do the homework. But unlike those videos in MyMathLab that sometimes has too much information or not enough information, I have made these note handouts to be exactly what you need. So you're going to get the 100% of the material content, and not just that 80 to 90% of the content. Okay, and I have that for every single week. So then you'll go over here to week 2. Week 2, I'm telling you what's due. And then you have your Mod 1 Lesson 5, Mod 1 Lesson 6, and your review all right here. I have that for every single week already in here loaded up. Okay, so you can do that. And then here on that YouTube, very last one after week 8, you can look at all of the YouTube links. And if you just need Lesson 5, just click Lesson 5 and it brings that up for you. Okay, so that's where you're going to go to get all your material. You're either going to go into Moodle and follow along with the note handout to go along with the video, or you got to go into your MyMathLab and follow along with the author of the book. Okay, and I don't really care which one you like more, whether you like my videos or the author's videos more. Kind of maybe watch one of each, and whichever one you like more, just kind of stick with it. Okay, but those are your two options to get the material you need for this class. As always, please let me know if you guys have any questions whatsoever.